Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you I built out a client-side offline video editor and cutter editor directly in browser using. So we are running this application client-side, fully client-side application. So it's actually built inside React, and this is actually the full directory structure as you can see here. We are running it on localhost. The link is given in the description. You can directly purchase the source code. After you purchase it, automatically the source code will be downloaded. So this is actually the full directory structure. Each and every component is customizable. You can add more features on top of the application. So this is actually the main file here, which is coded inside TypeScript. So I've written this code from scratch. So you can just see here almost 900 lines of code is there. So let me just show you the actual demo of the application. So now to run this application, it's simple. You simply go to the command line, simple execute this command npm run dev. This will start the local development server at the localhost 5173. So now the interface of the applications looks something like this. So right here you will choose a video file that you need to edit and trim. So once you select the video file, the video will play in the video player, and then you have this nice little interface to actually cut and trim the video. So whatever portion that you want to trim out, so using these sliders, this timeline editor that you see right here, so using these sliders you can actually adjust the starting and the ending duration. So this will, after you selected this, simply click export trimmed clip. So what will happen now, it will actually cut that specific portion of the video and then create a new video automatically and also download this as an attachment. So now you can see that the output video has been successfully downloaded and we successfully trimmed and cut. So this actually directly executes it in the browser. There is no backend to it. So it's a offline based single page application, which is actually a video editor. And for building this, we are using FFmpeg WebAssembly library. So FFmpeg, as you all know, it's a very popular command line library, but this package, that is FFmpeg WebAssembly, allows you to use FFmpeg library directly in browser. So we are using this FFmpeg WebAssembly library for building out this complete video trimmer and editor. So you can directly purchase it. If you still face any issues after payment, you can contact me. So there is also this build command which is also given to you. So you can build out this entire project if you want to deploy this to a shared hosting. So once you build out this project, it will create dist directory. So interface is quite simple. It's completely responsive as well. So you can just see here. It also looks good on desktop, mobile and tablet as well. So it will save you a lot of time, because if you're looking forward for building out a complete FFmpeg related video editor project, then this is a perfect project that I developed for you. You can add more features as well. You can just see using these sliders, and once you click the export button, the FFmpeg processing will start, and then it will actually play this trimmed video that you want to trim out. After that, the video will get downloaded. So many a times users do need to actually trim and cut their video. So you can just see we are using FFmpeg WebAssembly library. We are using the latest version of React here, React 19. So we developed all these files that you see right here in TypeScript. So we are also using Vite development engine for this project. So you can just see this is the link is given. You can directly purchase the source code. So you can even deploy this by purchasing a domain name and putting Google advertisements and also earning a lot of subscription based revenue as well. Or you can earn revenue by placing ads as well. So it's a ready-made application where user will come to your application. They will try to edit their videos by selecting the video and then using this timeline based video editor. They can trim out the specific portion and then click export. And this is also really fast because the video is not encoding. It's just, we are just cutting the video, whatever video portion that user selects here. So it doesn't take too much time. It really executes fast, and all the processing directly happens in the browser. So there is no installation, there is no registration of, so it's actually doesn't use any server. It's all the processing directly happens in the browser. So if you're interested, guys, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase it.